I think that's a Northern Flicker. Male. This is December 20th, 2021. That tube feeder that I have filled with suet is not supposed to be a suet feeder, but it works really good with deterring the squirrels. And a lot of birds can get to it and eat the suet without any perches. It's not expensive. Walmart sells them, some garden centers. I think it's a perky pet feeder. But I do recommend it for suet. The holes are just big enough for any bird that has somewhat of a pointy beak to get into. Pretty cold out this morning, and I just filled most of the bird feeders with suet, black oil sunflower seeds, and mealworms. That's a good combination. And I also make sure that they have water, that it doesn't freeze. And there you see the flicker flew to the heated pet dish, which is really good. He needed a drink after eating that suet. I'm standing inside my porch, so it's not crystal clear. You can buy heated dog dishes at various places like Chewy.com, and they provide water all winter long for your birds. Price went up on them, but you should be able to get one for under $30, and I have two, and they last many, many seasons. Thanks for watching.